Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kindle Direct Publishing keywords for higher rankings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Kindle Direct Publishing dashboard. Navigate to the bookshelf section. Select the book you want to optimize. Click on the Edit eBook Details button. Scroll down to the Keywords section. Identify the keywords that best describe your book's content. Limit your keywords to 7 to 12 words each for maximum impact. Consider using phrases instead of single words for better targeting. Research competing titles in your genre to find effective keywords. Use tools like KDP Rocket or Google Keyword Planner for insights. Prioritize keywords with a balance of high search volume and low competition. Avoid keywords that are too broad, as they may lead to your book being lost in a sea of results. Incorporate specific themes, tones, or unique selling points from your book. Try to include genres or subgenres that align closely with your book's niche. Think about the questions your target readers might be asking. Consider synonyms and related terms that potential readers might use. Type your chosen keywords into the provided fields in KDP. Make sure to format your keywords without punctuation, unless necessary. After entering your keywords, review them for clarity and relevance. Preview how your book appears in search results. Save your changes once you are satisfied with your keywords. Monitor your book's performance over time. Be prepared to iterate on your keyword choices based on sales data and trends. Adjusting your keywords periodically can lead to improved visibility. Stay updated with KDP's policies and guidelines for keyword usage. Use this process to enhance your book's discoverability effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.